Before you begin using your device, you'll need to ensure your garment fits correctly. The VEST APX System garment was designed to fit your body. Depending on your chest circumference, your physician, a Baxter trainer, respiratory therapist, or caregiver will select a suitable garment style and size. To measure for the correct size garment, if possible, start by standing for the measurement. Take a deep breath in and hold it. Hold one end of the tape measure at the largest part of your chest. If you're receiving assistance, have someone else hold the end for you. Wrap the tape measure under your arms and around your back until it meets the point where you are holding the tape measure. If you are helping someone, wrap around the back of the patient while allowing the measuring tape to wrap around the patient's chest, measuring under the patient's arms. Write down the chest circumference. Use the vest and wrap garment size tables to determine the correct garment size for you.